another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for today. Before we start, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so we get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today's topic is about the Google Pixel 5, the ultimate 5G Google phone. So let's explore it as always and see what it's good for. It has a smooth, fast performance. More RAM lets you move from task to task with super fast. You can sing in the rain. It also can take splash, spill, no problem, so it's completely waterproof. Power up without a plug. So it just charges wirelessly, shares battery life, and it's really easy to carry around. Help at hyperspeed. A camera that helps you take your best shots. So you can have a photo shoot day or night, can capture moments with stunning clarity, take clips with Hollywood-inspired effects, and lots more. A phone that also a wireless charger, so you can charge wirelessly, stay powered all day, and get up to 48 hours of battery life when you need it with an extreme battery saver. It also has protection from security threats and water spills. So a water-resistant metal body and a superhero level security chip help to ensure data and device always stay protected. A little help on the go with the Google Assistant. So you can get help on the go, find answers when you need them, plus a who's calling and why before you pick up the phone with the Google Assistant. Super fast downloads, and it's basically ready when you're ready to download. It has ultra smooth streaming, so you won't miss a bit. From gaming with Stadia to watching your go-to shows, enjoy the content you love with a crystal clear HD. Share your 5G speed with friends. A 5G hotspot lets you send a super fast signal to friends or speed up your laptop connection for easier working while on the go. It has video calling that feels more like teleporting. With a dual screen share in HD, you can read articles, watch live sports, and laugh together, just as if you were sitting in your same room, so you can share it easily. It has beautiful moments captured by beauty. The brilliant Pixel camera, now with an ultra-wide lens and new goodies, help you shoot and edit like pros so you have the best pictures possible. You can take photos in the dark. From low light portraits to starry nights, night side lets you capture all the detail without the flash. So basically, if you're somebody who likes camping and the stars and the night, or goes out in the night a lot and wants to take pictures, this is the best way possible. Keep your magical moment vibrant. The HDR Plus automatically enhances color and lighting so the photo you take can stay as vivid as you want to remember it. You can capture the big picture. The ultra-wide lens lets you fit entire jaw-dropping scenes into your photos without a problem. You can see your portraits in the best light. So if shadows get in the way of a great portrait, Pixel drops in an extra light to illuminate your subject. You can also adjust the lighting later on the Google Photos. So let's say one of us, basically, every day we struggle when taking photos on the light thing that sometimes there is not good lighting and there's shadows on us and we don't want to take pictures when shadows are on us. So this will help you. Don't worry about that and just take pictures anywhere you want, especially good portrait pictures. Add a little drama to your clips. You can give your videos a cinematic look with a super smooth panning that's inspired by the equipment they use in Hollywood movies. the all day plus another day battery. It understands your priorities, so it has an adaptive battery that learns your favorite apps, reduces power to the ones you rarely use, so your phone keeps it charged all day. It can last up to 48 hours, so it has an extreme battery saver, helps take your all day battery up to 48 hours on a single charge when you really need it. And it charges fast and wirelessly, so you return to tasks more quickly with a fast charging battery. Plus, you can use the battery share to wirelessly charge your Pixel Buds. A security guard for your digital life. A chip that has your back. So the Titan M chip helps secure the OS sensitive data like password and transactions. Updates you don't have to remember because it automatically receives the latest security update as soon as they're ready. Your phone stays safe and up to date with the latest software with no problem. You're one step ahead of the hackers. Pixel scan for incoming threats from calls, texts, emails, links sent from other apps. It also scans over 100 billion apps a day to keep your phone safe. Calls 911 even if you can't. If your phone senses that you've been in a car accident, car crash detection can help reach 911 for you. So basically, it says if you have this time limit, you can choose I'm okay if it's an accident, like it wasn't really a car crash, but you can also choose 911. And the robocalls hold the whole tunes. With Call Screen, Google Assistant protectively screens unknown callers and filters out robocalls before your phone rings. And with Hold For Me, Google Assistant waits on hold for you and lets you know when someone's on the line. A little help when your hands are full. So you can use Google Assistant to manage your daily tasks, control your phone and apps, get help on the go, and much more. Your Pixel 5 comes with free months of Google One. As you remember, you get access to 100 GB of cloud storage, automatic phone backup, and more benefits that you can share with your family. Talk about the product information. The dimensions is 5.7 times 2.8 times 0.3. It's only 5.3 ounces, so it's really easy to carry. It has 1 lithium-ion battery. The review given to it is 4.5 out of the 5, so it's pretty good for a phone. We have seen phones with less, such as 3, so this actually is really high for this kind of phones. OS is the Android and the RAM is 8 GB. They include components in it when you order the package. Is the USB-C to a USB-A quick switch adapter, the Google Pixel USB-C, AirPods, the limited geographies, the SIM tool, 18-volt charger, the 1 point USB-C, and then the USB-C 1 cable, of course, with the phone. And then the wireless communication technologies is a cellular Wi-Fi. The connectivity technology is Wi-Fi. Other display features is wireless. The other camera features is rare, and the form factor is just in a smartphone. Before we go, please make sure to check out this Amazon link. You never know, you might end up buying your own. Plus, it's always good to have more information about this kind of stuff. And Christmas is really near. Merry Christmas, everyone. So if you want to buy a good gift for your friends and family, this is a really good one to look for. So make sure to check this Amazon link out. The resources we used was https store.google.com and www.amazon.com. We give them credit for their amazing work and the amazing information they had. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button if it's still red, and the bell next to it so we get notified every single time I post a new video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and tell us in the comments what you want to see next. We'll see you next time. Bye.